Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to locate display, which is here, and now go to Wallpaper tab. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from live wallpapers, from photos, or maybe wallpapers. So let me pick the last album, Wallpapers, and here, as you can see, you've got plenty of them. Truly amazing. So once you decide which one should cover your home screen, let me pick, for example, this one, click on Set Wallpaper. And the last thing you have to do is to decide if this picture should cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So let me pick both. And as you can see, brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. This is how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.